What's up guys, Kevin from J5 FireLids, another edition from Business Inside the Bus. We're doing installation videos for our Wildland Brow Pad. We are launching this with the intent for it to fit into Bullard Wildland helmets, Bullard Wildland suspensions, 100% cotton material, just like we always use with all of our products, which makes it durable, washable, and for these, it's going to provide a lot more absorbability for that forehead portion of our Wildland helmets. 100% cotton, like I said, handmade in the United States. It does have some Velcro tabs on here, which essentially bends over itself around the Bullard suspension and secures back to itself. That's the way the construction is going to be for you guys. Make sure it's a secure fit. Hand wash, cold water, mild detergent, make sure that it gets rinsed, lay flat to dry, and you guys will be back in service, back out on the line by the following day. We hope that you guys dig this new product. Again, it can be found on j5firelids.com. From structure helmets to wildland helmets, we got you covered. Okay, so here we have a Bullard Wildland helmet. Here's the suspension. J5 is essentially going to be going around this portion of the brow portion of the suspension. As far as the construction that we've already talked a little bit about for J5, 100% cotton construction. Here's the Velcro tabs I was talking about. We have a stitch coming in here where the brow pad is going to bend. The Velcro comes in contact with the opposite side and it adheres. So that's where we have that secure fit. Okay, that's the construction. Wide portion is going to be towards your forehead, so it's going to go inside first, just kind of marry it up. Find where that little stitch is for it to bend over and adhere to itself. Secure your sides. Make sure it's all secure, and you're in service, ready to go.